This is one of the older sections of the Cogar Cemetery in Guardians. The cemetery has sustained some substantial damage from this big oak from last night's thunderstorm. Several stones are broken, as you're going to see here. Some local members of the community have already been here trying to cut a lot of the branches out. Right here, one of the older stones snapped right in two. A couple smaller ones knocked over here, but also just broke right in two. Hard to say what's damaged underneath all this mess. There's a big one under there that's just broken too. This one as well. This was a pretty heavy one. Broken over. Teresa Cogar, one of the older ones. 1849 to 1915. Look at how close she came to having her stone broke. Here's a modern one. I could not lift it. That's heavy. Just shattered. And here's another old one broken too. There's one knocked on its side. Happened to fall in one of the oldest sections of the cemetery. You can see this is a 30-inch oak tree. And I suspect trying to get some of this out of here, it's going to do some more damage. Unfortunately, that one is laying right on top of the stone right now. Here's a military marker. I believe that's Granville Hayman, who was a private with the Confederate States, 1843, and I can't read the rest of it. There's a stone snapped in two. And I missed this one here. You can see it's in pieces. Came off of right there. A lot of leaves. Just gonna take a lot of effort just to clean this up. Oh yeah, look at that. Stone laying crushed under there is Nancy Cogar. I can't read that one since the writing's on the back side, but this log actually, where they cut it, it's laying right on top of it. I think if they work back that way, they might be able to get it off there without doing more damage. But I don't know, as big as that log is, trying to get this out of here may cause some more damage.